Hi, and welcome to the installation video for Western Window Systems Series 670 window line. This video will include instructions for nail fin and equal leg type frames. You'll also learn how to mull two windows together. Before you begin, check the rough opening before installation to make sure the window will fit. Care should be taken to ensure the opening is square, plumb, and level. Once the rough opening preparation is complete, apply a 1-finger bead of sealant to the interior face of the nail fin and place the window into the flashed opening. The nail-on flange should make full contact around the opening. Check that the window is square, plumb, and level. Secure all nail flanges to the structure using self-tapping screws at 12 inches on center. The first screw should be 3 inches from the corner. All screws and fin edges should be sealed when anchoring is complete. Again, check to ensure that the window is square, plumb, and level. Casement windows require shim and anchoring at the top hinge. To execute, open sash, then drill and countersink screws through the frame at 1 1/4 inches from the outside of the frame above the top hinge. Shim the jamb and anchor using a number 10 by 2.5 inch screw. Finally, close the sash and verify that the multi-point lock is operating properly. Both the window and the multi-point handle should operate easily and smoothly. Next, we'll show a window being mulled and anchored without a nail fin. Apply a 2-finger bead of sealant across the width of the opening and 4 inches up both jambs. Locate 2 inches inside of the outer frame point. Remove jamb stops. Drill and countersink screws every 18 inches on center. With an awning window, as demonstrated here, open the sash and disengage the operator from the sash. This will give you room to pre-drill and countersink for anchor screws. Close the sash and position the window near the opening. When mulling, run a bead of 100% silicone down the entire length of the male extrusion on both the interior and exterior male legs. Place the window into the opening and hold in place with shims at the head. Position the female side of the mull and evenly snap together. Make sure the bulb weather strip is in place from top to bottom before snapping together. Use quick clamps to assist in getting a complete connection. Using shims, make sure the window is square, plumb, and level. After mulling, a string line can be used to ensure that the bank of windows is straight. Pump sealant into the installation holes, then run installation screws through the prepared holes. After checking that the bank of windows is straight, replace the stops in the fixed windows that were removed for pre-drilling. Trim all excess shims and restring to ensure a straight installation. When mulling 2 units together that have a nail flange, a drip cap is required. Run a bead of sealant over the top of the nail flange, where the drip cap will be set. Anchor the drip cap into place. Seal the underside of the drip cap and all fasteners. Once sealing is finished, complete the head flashing over the top of the nail flange. Reattach the awning operator to the sash. Finally, lay a back bead of sealant behind the sill along the entire width of the opening and 4 inches up the jambs. Open and close the window to ensure it's operating smoothly. Congratulations, the installation is complete.